Hey y'all. So I'm about to do this TikTok chicken Caesar pasta salad. But let me turn this over so y'all can see the ingredients. Alright, I got my lettuce. Can y'all see that? It's blurry. I got my, oh, there we go. Parmesan. Shaved Parmesan cheese. My bacon, I like red onion in mine. Caesar lettuce. I'm gonna use ranch and creamy Caesar. I got my pasta right here. And then the chicken is in the refrigerator. I'm doing it the lazy way. Give me a minute. Okay, y'all. And for my pasta, I always use salt, pepper. My homegirl always used to tell me, salt and pepper your noodles, girl. Salt and pepper your noodles. I use salt, pepper, a little roasted garlic, and always Italian. A little Italian dressing. Okay. So that's all mixed together. Excuse me, y'all. I got a little cold. That's all mixed together in there. And I'm going to cut up my lettuce. Already did the bacon. I'm going to cut me up a little red onion. I'm using this chicken, y'all, because I told y'all I'm being lazy today. I could do chicken breast, but I ain't feel like cooking or waiting because I'm hungry. All right, give me a minute. Okay, y'all, so I done now and chopped everything up. So everything is just flip that right quick. You see all my ingredients. I got chicken, I got onions, I got bacon, and I got Caesar lettuce. Then my pasta salad. Got my Parmesan cheese, my ranch, and my creamy Caesar. And I'm going to mix all this up, y'all. Oh, yeah. I'm about to mix this bad boy up. Can y'all see? I hope y'all can see. All right. So I'm putting my lettuce in. Big old bowl. Then I'm gonna put my toppings. I'm gonna go in with the bacon on that side, all the bacon on one side, all the chicken on the other side, all the onions right on the cross there, right on the cross. And I'm hungry, so I wanted to do something quick. The bacon and the pasta was cooking at the same time. So really, this is a quick ass, easy meal. Real quick, store bought, real lazy. Since it ain't nothing but me up in here, I gotta learn how to cook small. So this for me is small. I'm gonna put my pasta in. And there y'all have it, if you can see it. Let me see. Y'all can see. I'm putting my Parmesan cheese on here, y'all. My bad, because I'm doing too much. My little Parmesan. Going with the ranch first. And I don't do croutons, y'all. I mean, I do sometimes, but not mixed in my salad. I don't like it like that. Going with the Caesar. Grab my little tongue. And go to work. Just mix all that up in there real good. I watch my time, y'all. Y'all know how they cut you off and shit. Just mix all that up real good. Oh my gosh, I can't wait to eat, y'all. Hope I can taste it. Shit. It's cold, messing me up. And since I'm greedy, I always add more dressing after I done made my bowl. So let me get my bowl together. Ooh. Oh, it looks so good. My fork. Let's check this shit out. Pasta, chicken, bacon, and lettuce. Caesar, y'all, with the cheese. Now I can't get it. It is pretty good, but I think I should add more onion. I like onions. I love onions. Anyway, y'all, the TikTok chicken Caesar bacon pasta salad. Pretty good. This pasta gonna fill me up. Y'all want some? I got some more. All right, y'all. Marshall Cooks. Deuces. Love y'all. Peace out.